Matapos na naging statement ng ina ni Kobe Paras na si Jackie Forster kaugnay sa hiwalayan ng kanyang anak na si Kobe at Kaylin ay umalma ang kampo ni Kaylin. Sa social media ng kapatid ni Kaylin, binahagi nito ang naging komento ng girlfriend sa naging statement ni Jackie Forster. Ipinagtanggol ng kampo ni Kaylin ang aktres laban sa sinabi ng ina ni Kobe. Ayon kay Samantha, nauunawaan umano nito ang ginawang pagpoprotekta ni Jackie Forster sa anak na si Kobe. Ngunit sana daw ay ipinag-usapan na lang nila ang issues ng pribado. Kung ang totoong hangarin naman daw ay ang magkaayos ng magkabilang panig. Dagdag pa ni Samantha ay hindi umano dapat pang ungkatin ni Jackie ang issue ng mga magulang ni Kaylin Alcantara. As a mother, I respect your instinct to protect your family. However, having lived with Kaylin and Kobe, I saw the situation up close, and I can confidently say much of what has been said is untrue and deeply misleading. Kobe confided in me before he left, and listened with empathy because mental health is important. His feelings are valid, but so is the truth. The narrative being pushed twists facts and unfairly attacks Kaylin's character. A quote posted by her father about family uniting during hardships was misconstrued and used to create unnecessary drama on your end, to then release a video dragging Kaylin's name, bringing up her parents' past and casting untruthful accusation is not only hurtful, it is irresponsible. Kaylin has never been manipulative or abusive. She has been nothing but supportive toward Kobe. To publicly damage her reputation with false claims, especially when she has done nothing to deserve it, it is deeply wrong. If there was true intent to resolve this amicably, it would have been handled privately, not through public attacks disguised as concern. I sincerely hope moving forward you can choose integrity, fairness, and genuine respect over distortion and harm. Lastly, Kaylin deserves to be defended with the same grace and dignity she has always shown. So all this time, tama nga si Carmina. Kaya pala sabi ni Ashley na bakit nababash sila Carmina, mababait naman daw sila. Kaya pala si Kaylin talaga ang may basurang ugali. As a mom, I would do anything for my son's sake, lalo kung dehado, kaya I always have doubts bakit ganun protektahan ni Carmina ang anak niya, knowing those twins are very close to their mom. Sa akin lang, hindi ako makikisawsaw kasi ayokong mapahiya ang anak ko, pero kung may rason, ilalaban ko. Kaya para sa akin, if mom talks, may something talaga sa babae. Not to mention, Carmina never had issues before and si Jackie. So, very fishy talaga. It's time for us to acknowledge that men like Mavi and Kobe can also be victims of domestic abuse by women, lalo na sa mga Pinoy na boomer na conservative pa rin. Hindi natin pwede sabihin na the man made the woman like that or give them a reason to. Abuse still abuse, regardless, no matter what gender. Kaylin is a very versatile and hardworking actress, tapos talented singer and dancer din. Pero this doesn't accuse that she was an abusive partner. Sana man lang matauhan siya sa mga pinaggagawa niya. Pareho ba namang nepo baby yung inabuso niya? No wonder malaki galit ng mga parents ng mga jowa sa kanya. I don't consider her starlet but I get why people call her that. Hindi pa rin kasi mabago-bago yung ganyang ugali. Tapos mga agaw pa. Feeling ko totoo pati yung issue with Carmina and Mavi. Di naman magre-react ng ganyan ang mga nanay kung walang issue sa babae. Sobrang pabikting lang si Kaylin manipulator. Di naman magre-react ng ganyan ang mga nanay kung walang issue sa babae. Hindi rin nanghihimasok yung nanay sa past relationships ni Kobe. Parang this is the first time his mom and brother stepped in. Also, given that the girl is involved in something similar in the past, it seems to be pattern of some sort. Dapat kay Kaylin magtino siya, lalo hindi naman siya nepo baby. Lahat ng pinaghirapan niya mawawala dahil sa attitude niya. Unless kaya niya isalba career niya dahil sa galing niya umarte at establish siya like Maris Racal. Balik hangkungan siya kapag hindi siya nagbago. She definitely needs professional help rin. Mama Bear strikes, and kudos to her for saying that she tried to better herself in the past 20 years for her children. I remember in the previous post that people were insinuating that Kobe is like that because of her past actions. Pwede naman kasi may character development. First bullet correction, her children and their father won't speak up on this matter as they have been like that since the very beginning. So maybe that's why she stepped up for her son. Actually, hindi nga masyado ma-interview sila Benji and kids when it comes to issues. Last interview pa ata nila ay nung issue nila with Jackie before. Kobe staying silent could be an act of showing respect of whatever they had with Kaylin. But the girl had other plans, so nagkagulo na lahat. It's also about time na ipabuhatol na rin kay Kaylin para matapos na pagka-manipulative niya. Alam nyo kung anong nakakalungkot sa nega-commenters ni Carmina? Kailangan pa ba maging dalawang nanay ang magpo-post bago kayo maniwala sa lalaki? Bakit lagi na lang babae yung victim kapag nag-break ang dalawang tao? Diba? Grabe yung comment sa family ni Carmina, ilang decades na siya sa showbiz, wala naman siyang naging issue. Kaya di rin ako nag-react pa sa issues nila. Like we needed the whole truth and not just cryptic post against. Chismis pag may pattern, it can be questionable kasi bakit nangingialam ang pamilya parate? Carmina and Jackie doesn't get involved naman with their past relationships. Ashley seemed to be liked by Carmina, so why only to her is always messy with her after? Oh well, popcorn mukhang mahaba pa to.